Let me show you how to do your own SEO check on your website, because there are some providers out there doing unsolicited checks on your website and trying to scare you into some kind of service. Let me show you how you can do it yourself. You go to your website dashboard. This is going to show you a lot of information about how well your site is performing. This is my own dashboard for BigBenInspections.com. You can visit it now. BigBenInspections, just Google it, and I'll be ranked #1, and I'll show you why. As you can see, yesterday I had 38 visitors, unique visitors. Here's my Google search performance. I rank #1 when people type in Big Ben Inspections. Now, SEO, I go to my site and I click SEO. And this is going to tell me how my site is doing in relation to SEO, search engine optimization. Here's the report. And I can check whether my website designer did everything. Here's my checklist. My website is ready for Google searches. All of these are green check marks. All good. That's step 1. Here's step 2. Optimize every page for search engines. And it's all green. All good. This is an entire checklist. Here's a link that I need for booking online. I don't have clients, so I'm not booking inspections online. So I'm going to not have this linked, but you will have that checkmarked. Step 3, keep building on the SEO, and you have your own SEO assistant for free. My SEO assistant has no issues with my website, has 2 recommendations, I'll show you what those are, and 15 completed tasks, and here they all are. The one recommendation is to publish a new blog post. That's pretty good. I haven't published a post in 30 days. I'll show you how to do that right now. The other recommendation is to perform a site inspection. It's low priority. My assistant tells me to perform a site inspection to get an updated report from Google about this site's page. Let's inspect the site. And here's my current report. I've got 19 pages and they're all green and valid. But let's inspect again. And now I have 28 pages and they're all green and valid. But that's just SEO. What about GEO? Generative Engine Optimization. You got to optimize your site for search engines like LLMs and ChatGBT. And Inspector Website Builder does it all for me. I don't have to do any of this stuff. Let me show you. In the last 30 days, AI visibility for my website is really good. ChatGBT crawled it yesterday, Gemini too, Perplexity, and then Clod. How many user queries using AI found my website? 63. And here are the top search queries. Home Inspections Raleigh, North Carolina is the top query in a search that lands on my website. Now let's do that blog post. I create a new blog post, or I could have Inspector Website Builder do it for me. Fireplace inspection, watch this video. I embed the YouTube video. I check all my SEO settings. It's all automatically green. I hit publish. I can send it out in an email, put it on social media, or link it to a Google ad. So if you ever get a message about your website lacking some kind of SEO, just go to your website dashboard, check the SEO yourself, or ask Inspector Website Builder to do it for you, and then go tell that other person to go jump in a lake. InterNACHI's official vendor for Inspector websites, designed with SEO, is Inspector Website Builder. Go check out their hundreds of 5-star Google reviews. Inspector Website Builder.